magical color changing manicure made of something that you definitely have at home in this video. Hello, I'm Anastasia and today I will be trying liquid crystals. First, I saw them in video by Hannah Rocks and I liked it so much, so I decided to try it. As you probably remember from school, there are three main states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. 100 years ago, it was discovered that there is another state in between, such as liquid crystals. They are not typical liquids or solids. They are found in various manufactured items we use every day, such as TV screens, laptop, iPad monitors, clocks, and so on. They are also found naturally in cholesterol, cell membranes, and soap bubbles. Now, let's get back to the manicure. I will need black gel polish and liquid crystals and some soft brush to apply it. I will be using this one, number 8, it's called cover brush. But first we need to remove the old design, and first I'm taking off the crystals. I usually use old nippers for it. And by the way, those are so dull, it's even hard to take off the crystals for now. So I'm actually thinking of sharpening them, at least so I can securely take off all the stones. Now, when we are done, I'm going to take off the color and I will be using my favorite carbide bead. And by the way, as you probably can see, this manicure is about 1.5 weeks old, so it's definitely early for infill, but I wanted to try those liquid crystals so bad, so we decided to do a very slight infill, a slight retouch. These are acrylic nails. Underneath we have white product, so I will just slightly take off the product and see if we need to add something. Probably not. And also I will do a light cuticle care. So I pushed back the cuticle and add a little bit of acrylic only on 2 nails, and then I'm going to apply black gel polish. This one is by Attica brand. It's pretty intense, but still one coat will be probably not enough, so I will apply 2 coats and make sure you fully cure them in between. After that, I'm going to take off the sticky layer and let's apply the magic. Liquid crystals is substance that will cure on air, so you do not need to use LED or UV lamp for it. So keep in mind that you do not want to ruin your brush, so clean it from time to time and try to apply it evenly. This product is recommended to use only on artificial nails, such as acrylic or gel nails, so I think we're safe here as these are acrylic nails. And the moment I said that, I got some flooding on the client's skin, but this client is very open to new experiments, by the way, and she was the one who survived my ramen nail, so I think she will survive the liquid crystals design as well. So I applied on the free edge and then we need to cure, so simply wait, and it will take a while. On the tip it took me around 20 minutes, but luckily on actual nails it took us about 7 to 10 minutes. Well, you can see these brown spots, that means the product haven't fully cured yet. But once you see this magic happening, that means it's time. So now all we need to do is to seal it with a top coat. I also noticed that if you will apply a thicker layer of liquid crystals, the color will appear to be brighter. But honestly, I don't think it's such a great idea to apply a thick layer because the nails will look thicker and also it will take eternity to fully cure it. This one looks so pretty already, just take a look at this beautiful deep blue color. Now we fully cure it and let the magic happen. When it's cold, they are simply black, but then I switch to this deep blue, green, yellow, brown and to the black again. Now let's take a look at this through micro lens. Wow! I think we were playing with them like the whole evening, and this one looks like an earth to me because it's blue with the green spots. Now let me guys know, what do you think? Have you ever tried liquid crystals before? Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials just like this one every week. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!